Hello and welcome to another exciting episode. Today we have a little bit of a different atmosphere. Very nice outside, so I thought I'd do something a little bit different. But today we're going to do another unboxing. This thing. Stay tuned to see more. Okay, today we're going to unbox the Dremel 8220. Now we'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in this product, so you can go ahead and start a look on your own. Cost about $100. It's not the most top of the line of the Dremel products, but it should do me just fine. So let's get started. Alrighty. See, how can we open this thing up to do the least amount of damage? Probably on the side. But you know what? As I do this, I'm looking at the box. Now, in the front, of course, it has all the general information that you want to see on a box. On the sides, just has a little bit of advertisement, a little bit of what type it is, which is, of course, the 12-volt max lithium-ion battery versions. And it does say about the specifications and characteristics and all that stuff on the side. You can look that up if you want. I'm not going to bore you on this video. Now on the back, it does say you do get a 2-year warranty, which is really good. Good job, Dremel. I can't talk. Now it does come with all kinds of different attachments, which is very good. So you don't have to go out and buy additional stuff. And pretty much all the attachments that I have here is what I'll be using. So I probably won't have to use a whole lot more, but if I do, I actually got a 150-piece set for an older Dremel that will fit on this. So I'm good. Let's see. Open up the side. There we go. Nice. Dremel. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and sit this down. Open this up. Nice little semi-hard case. Now it does have, of course, your attachments here. Okay, and here's all the stuff that comes in the accessory container. It has the actual Dremel tool itself. Nice, and I like that. Ugh. Has the charger. Now it does have additional slots for things that if you want to take what's in here, there's a few things you can stick in here. That's actually in this case. I'm going to keep the stuff in the case, but there's some things on my other tool I want to transfer over to here. So these little slots will get filled up pretty quick. Up here, it does have the paperwork. You have product registration, which I'll be doing that right away. It has your instruction booklet, operating instructions, all that good stuff. Of course, your standard warnings and all that. Yep, looks like English and Spanish, so that's good. Put that back in there so I don't lose everything. And it has a charge in it already. All right, good. But when you do turn it on, that's different. I guess I'm going to have to read the directions here. But when you do turn it on, you can see, I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but you can see different lights on here. So it does have 3/4 full. I like that. Okay, let's go and play with it a little bit. Now, from what you saw on the unboxing, this is, of course, a variable speed. Right there is your slider. Now with the battery charger, it's very, very simple. all you do, plug it in, and of course the battery charging only goes in one way. Like you can't put it in backwards. You see these, I guess, wings. There's a place for the wings to go in. Push it down in, and it starts charging up. When this stops blinking, it's fully charged. Hello. What I did is I put a little cutting blade on the end of the Dremel, and I do have to trim something here in metal. So let's see how this thing works. Well, that made some very short work of it. I had to adjust the speed a little bit, but other than that, it did a great job. So I think this is going to be a great purchase. Again, look in the description below for a link to this product. Well, thank you for coming along with me to unbox the Dremel 8220. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.